Demonstration using a mobile phone with damaged Wi-Fi function. Before repairing, connect your phone to the Shalu PC and trio read the Wi-Fi SN. A Shalu PC cannot detect the Wi-Fi SN. You need to disassemble the hard disk and use the H7 programmer to query Wi-Fi SN. Put the phone on the screen opener to remove the screen. Start removing the motherboard. Take apart nand. Cooperate with the H7 programmer to query the Wi-Fi SN. Query the factory data after the NAND is successfully read. Write the read out Wi-Fi SN. Reinstall the NAND back onto the motherboard. Take the motherboard to test the current. The power on current is normal. Put the motherboard on the heating plate for heating in stratification. Take the motherboard and implant the Wi-Fi module. Dismantle the wiring module. Precision installation, meeting 100% regional factory process standards. Put the motherboard with its original Wi-Fi module installed on the middle test rack for testing. Wi-Fi function is perfectly restored. The serial numbers are the same.